Lesson 3.4, subtraction. Counting on to subtract 2 digits and 3-digit numbers with composing. Now let's take a look at the warm-up. Shampoo measures the length of her ham span, and she got 125. Tick got 93 centimeter. Ying got 167 centimeter, and Benz got 182 centimeters. She then compares the length of her ham span with some other people in her family. So how could she calculate the difference in length between her ham span and Tick's ham span? That is, counting from the lesser number, which is Tick's number, 93, onto 125. Make it a round figure, 100 plus, that is plus 7. Then plus 20, because we're looking at 125. So plus 20 will be 120, then add the next 5. Then add up these numbers, you find the difference. So 7 plus 20 plus 5 will be 32. So 32 is the difference. Now use this number line to calculate the difference between Ying's and Ben's arm span. So Ying is 167, Ben's is 182. Ying's is lesser, 167. Make it a round figure, that is plus 3, will be 170. We're looking at 182. So plus 10 would be 180 plus 2 would be 182. So 3 plus 10 plus 2 would be 15. So the difference is 15. Now onto the workout. Calculate the difference between Tick's arm span and Ying's arm span. Draw jumps on the number line to show your thinking. Between Tick and Ying. So Tick as the lesser number, 93. Make it 100, will be plus 7. 93 plus 7 is 100. Ying is 167. So add 60 will be 160. Then add 7 will be 167. Now 7 plus 7 plus 60 will be 74. There you have it, folks. 74 centimeters is the difference. Now let's go on to number 2. Calculate each difference. Draw jumps on the number line to show your thinking. We start with the lesser number, 83. Make it a round figure, 90. That is plus 7. Then we're looking at 130, so add 40 plus 40 will be 130. There you have it, folks. So the difference is 47. Part B. Let's start with the lesser number, 65. Make it a round number, 70. 65 plus 5 is 70. Now, make it 100. That is plus 30 will be 100. Plus 10 will be 110. And then plus 3 will be 113. So 5 plus 30, 35, plus 10, 45, plus 3, 48. Part C, we have 172 minus 108. So we start with the lesser number, 108. Make it a round number to be 110, which is plus 2. Then we're looking at 170, that is plus 60. Then add another 2, which is 172. So 2 plus 60 plus 2 will be 64. Now number 3, calculate the difference, show your thinking. $75, make it a round figure, that is plus 5, will be 80. Then make it up to 100, plus 20 is 100. 124, so we have another 20, will be 120, then plus 4. Will be 124. So now let's add up these numbers. 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 5, 45, plus 9, 49. So the answer is 49. Now part B, let's take a look at the difference. Start with the lesser number, 195. So make it up to 100, that will be plus 5, will be 200, a round number. Then we're looking at 300, so we add another 100, will be 300. Then add another 42, will be 342. So 100 plus 42 is 142 plus 5, 147. Now on to the fast finishers. Use the number line to help solve the problem. This problem. There is more than one possible answer. Jane and Mook each have more than 100 baht. Mook has 45 baht more than Jane. How much might each person have? So Jane might have 110. So 110 at 40 will be 150. Then another 5 plus 5 will be 155. So Mook will be 155. Now let's go on to the practice. Number 1, we write the lesser number 74, make it a round figure, that is by adding 6 will be 80. We are looking for 120, so to 100 will be plus 20. Then another plus 20 will be 120. Then plus 2 will be 122. So 16 plus 40, excuse me, 6 plus 20 plus 20 plus 2 will be 48. Next, 94. Make it up to 100 will be plus 6. Then plus 50 will be 150. So 50 plus 6 will be 56. Let's start with the lesser number, 119. Plus 1 will be 120. Plus 40. When we add 44 to this, will give us 160. Then plus 8 will be 168. So 40 plus 8 plus 1 will be 49. Now here, the lesser number is 106. Make it a round figure to be 110 by adding 4. Then make it 140 by adding 30. Then another 5 will be 145. So let's add up these jumps. 30 plus 4 plus 5 will be 39. Number 2, calculate each difference. Show your thinking. We use the lesser number, 183. Make it a round number, 190, which is plus 7. We're looking at 200, so plus 100. Plus 100 will give us 290, so we don't need that. Let's say plus 10. Plus 10 will be 200. Plus 50 will be 250. Then plus 6 will be 256. So we have 10 plus 50, that is 60, plus 7, 67, plus 6, 73. Start with the lesser number, 217. To the nearest number, 220 will be plus 3. Plus 100 will be 320. Plus 40 will be 360. Plus 1 will be 361. So 100 plus 40, 140, 144. There you have it, folks. Do the necessary correction and send your work back to the teacher. This is 150.